Hello guys, this is Devesh from 3D Vlogs. This is part 7 in Space Invaders using PYGAME. So today we will do more accurate collisions with the bullet and enemy, and also with the player and the enemy. So let's do that. First of all, let us see what we have till now. Let's run the program. And here we can see the bullets which comes out of the player, it shoots, and it is not that accurate that we think. So let us make it. Go back to the code, and there is absolutely a nice function inside the PyGame sprite, that is, we don't want this statement. So instead of that, I am to type if PyGame dot sprite collide, and it takes three arguments: the the single object, then the group, that means the PyGame sprite group, and a true boolean, that means it true or false. We will discuss that. So first of all, we want the enemy object. So the enemy object is invaders. So invaders. After that, we want the bullet group. So the bullet group is simply like bullet group. So let us type that bullet group, and this condition checks that if the invaders collide or the bullet collide with the invaders, we will remove that from the list. So let's do that. So if it collides with the enemy, we will hide that. So if we want to hide that, we will give true. If we don't want, then we will give false. So then again a colon, and let's run that. And let me say this, and here we can see, but the problem is that when the bullet, once it hits the enemy, it is not seeing. So let's code that. There are two ways of doing this. For that, the first one is that we will change this bullet group to enemy group, and this invaders to bullet object. The error that caused last time is that we check that we change the boolean to true. That means if it collides, we will remove that bullet. That's what happened. So it will not be it will not come again in the screen. So that's what's the problem. If the enemy is disappearing, then we don't want this invaders to kill statement. We will cut that, and now it should work. And here we go, we got our output. Now I will show you the second way of doing this. I prefer this way of collisions with the bullets and the enemies. So let us see the second way of doing this. In the second way, this enemy group will change to bullet group, and we will change this to invaders. Then we will change this true to false. We don't want to disappear, make it the bullet disappear from the screen, so make it false. And then for this way of doing this, we need this kill statement. So let us say this and run it again, and here we go. We can see that the bullets are perfectly colliding with the enemies, and that's what we wanted. So, and that's it for today's video guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel.